Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record a greeting and add it to your profile on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And then click on the Say Hello button next to your avatar at the top. And then you should click on the Hold to Record button. So tap on this microphone icon down below on the right side and say hello. Hello. And then slide to cancel. If you want to save it, just simply tap on the save button and then the recording will be saved. Here you can see it, click on save and it will be added to your avatar. So when you tap on the play button, you will be able to hear it. If you tap on the more button, you can delete it by tapping on the X button. And you can record a new one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.